Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli mukelinazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
SAPS confirms the dismissal of Major General Richard Chibiri, the former component head for organized crime, following the conclusion of internal disciplinary processes.
Inhloko yophiko oluphenya ubugebengu obuhleliwe uMajor General Richard Chibiri usekhonjwe indlela emaphoyiseni isicawuke sokuqondisa izigwegwe simthole necala lokudicelela phansi SAPS ngobudlelwane bakhe noVusumuzi Matlala.
For me, it was just to follow orders and assist in terms of whatever request they are making for me to assist them. Participation in a scheme to store
Ilungu lophiko lwama-Hawks uLieutenant Colonel Kwazikwakhe Sibiya uyena wethula kubufakazi ngaphambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga njengoba kusaqhubeka uphenyo ngokwebiwa kwezidakamizwa zohlobo lwe-cocaine ehhovisi lama-Hawks elisePortchepston ngo-2021.
Okwesithathu ndisiza mna apha and into eyenzekayo endlini kumanzi yonke into impahla bedi andinandawo lala ukuze ndilala apha.
Abantu basale bengondinga Sithebeni kumkhandlu idolobha eNelson Mandela Bay e-Eastern Cape kulandela imvula enamandla kanti e-Western Cape kuthola isidumo somlisa obemuke namanzi ngaphandle kwaseGeorge e-Western Cape. Pero masibheke kwezemidlalo isafa isiqinisekisile ukuthi umdlalo weBafana Bafana neJamaica ukulungiselela indebe yomhlaba uzodlalwa kusasa enkundleni yasePachuca eMexico kepha ngeke usakazwe kuthelevishini. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezinqaba phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo naku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula Mbukela ke singene kuzo ezihamba phambili emini nje. Inhloko yophiko oluphenya amacala obugebengu obuhleliwe uMajor General Richard Chibiri usekhonjwe indlela emaphoyiseni. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi isigcawu sokuqondisa izigwegwe esimtholeke enecala noma ke simthole enecala lokudicelela phansi SAPS ngobudlelwane bakhe obukhungetheke izinkinga noVusumuzi Matlala. Ngesikhathi ethola ubufakazi bakhe esigcawini sale commissioner uChibiri wavuma ukuthi wamukele imali eqhamuka kuMatlala kepha wathi kwabe kuyimali imboleko. Ngenyanga ke edlula amaphoyisa agasela ke emzini wakhe uChibiri afika ashaqa izibhamu kanye neziqhumane. uChibiri uphinde anindeke einsolweni zokuzama ukufumbathisa amaphoyisa aphenya icala lokusocongwa kukanjiniyela waseVereeniging uArmand Swart.
SAPS confirms the dismissal of Major General Richard Chibiri, the former component head for organized crime, following the conclusion of internal disciplinary processes. The disciplinary proceedings were conducted in accordance with applicable SAPS prescripts and principles of procedural fairness. Major General Chibiri was found guilty of misconduct relating to conduct that brought the organization into disrepute, including associating himself with a known criminal.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga isaqhubeka nokulalela ubufakazi obuphathelene nokwebiwa kwezidakamizwa zenani elingaphezu kwezigidi ezimbili zamarandi ezanyamalala ke ngesikhathi zigcinwe ehhovisi lama-Hawks elisePortchepston ngo-2021. Obizwe lesitikini sekhomishana namhlanje uLieutenant Colonel Kwazikwakhe Sibiya oyilungu lophiko lama-Hawks ongomunye wamaphoyisa ajutshwa ukuthutha ke izidakamizwa zisuswe esiphingo zihanjiswa ePortchepston.
Ubufakazi obuke bethulwa uMajor General Hendrik Flynn wama-Hawks kule commissioner bubeka amabali igama lika Lieutenant Colonel Sibiya njengomunye ongenzeka ukuthi unolwazi ngokunyamalala kwezidakamizwa ezazigcinwe ePortchepston. uSibiya utshele isithangami secommissioner ukuthi igalelo lakhe labe lilincane kakhulu ekusingathweni kwecala lezidakamizwa ezisematheni phambi kwecommissioner.
It was very minimal because I had two seasoned sun-up investigators who were handling everything. So for me, it was just to follow orders and assist in terms of whatever request they are making for me to assist them.
Ohola ubufakazi besithangami secommissioner utshele uSibiya ukuthi kuyamangaza ukuthi uzibeka njengomuntu owabe negalelo elingaqamile kulona lonke lolu daba kodwa wayengomunye kulabo ababebala umthamo wesidakamizwa zesisindo esingu 541 kg.
Would you still maintain that That's the position. And also on the first, you went with Colonel Jacob to the depot. I normally assist everyone in the office who requests assistance. So I don't see anything wrong by assisting. But the person who's responsible is the investigating officer.
Isithangami sisaqhubeka ikolishi iBridget Mabandla Justice ePitoli.
Lihlehlile lomsolo oneminyaka eyishumi nesishagalolunye obevele enkantolo yemantshi yase-Rudderport ngecala lokubulala ngesihloko umfundi oneminyaka eyishumi nesishagalombili eDobsonville ngoLwesibili. Njengamanje xhumana-ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uCalvin Dludla. Cebisa asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni zasemini besacela nje usichazele ngokwenzeke enkantolo osukela namhlanje.
Asibingelele kuwe Mfokaphumulo, asibingelele nombukeli wendaba ze-SABC esekhaya. Lihlehlile ke icala lahlehlela umhla eziyishumi uNhlangulana okuyiyona lenyanga esiphezukwayo, kanti ke umsolo awuvelile uneminyaka eyishumi nesishagalolunye 19 ubudala, kanti ke besingavunyelwe singamazi ke indaba ukuthi ke simveze ubuso ngoba ke kungenzeka ukuthi ke uma ngabe kwenzeke ethola ibail ke labo abamsola ngalesigameko bamenze ke isilo sengubo, kanti ke uvelile bebonakala nje umfana ukuthi ke umfana osemncane osakhula lo, kodwa ke icala lihlehlile. Igama lakhe sesivumelekile Mfokaphumulo ukuthi ke silidalule igama lakhe uSiyabonga owakwazwane isibongo, kanti ke uzophinda vele kulenyanga ezokwethwa esiphezukwayo, kanti ke oqamile ukuthi ke umndeni wakhe umsolo obukhona nawo enkantolo uzamile ukukhuluma neziko lendaba ze-SABC. Washo ukuthi umfana ngokusho kwabo akanacala kodwa wayekhona ngesikhathi kwenzeka ke isigameko, kanti ke kukhona abamsolayo ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi uyena owenze lokhu nabathi bona lo umuntu umsolo amaphoyisa okumele amthole okuthiwa ke usagcwele ke inkalo, kodwa ke bekungagcwele kangako enkantolo futhi bebengekho Mfokaphumulo nabantu ongathi mhlambe bebhiyoza bephetho ingqwembe ngaphandle kwenkantolo, kanti ke nathi azange size sibuthola ubunzima bokuthi ke sithole imvume inkosini yenkantolo ukuthi sikwazi ke ukusakaza leli cala, kanti ke thina siziko lendaba ze-SABC sila eRodeport enkantolo yemantshi sithatha ke intambo siyiphindisela kuwe e-studio Mfokaphumulo e-Auckland Park eGoli.
Sibonga kakhulu umbukeli yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uCalvin Dludla esibukela bukhoma ese-Rudderport khona la esifundazweni eGauteng. Izinkulungwane zabantu zesale ezingenawo amakhaya kumkhandlu dolobha eNelson Mandela Bay esifundazweni i-Eastern Cape kulandela imvula enamandla. Kusenjalo kaBakwaZidlodlo sebeqinisekisa ukuthi kutholakala umlisa eshonile obemuke namanzi eVabomskrali ngaphandle kwaseGeorge eWestern Cape.
Zingaphezu kwenkulungwane 2,500 izakhamuzi ezikhahlanyezwe imvula enamandla kulezi insuku ezimbili ezedlule kumkhandlu dolobha Nelson Mandela Bay eEastern Cape. Izakhamuzi zithuthelwe kwezinye ikhungo zomkhandlu njengoba imizi yazo icekeleke phansi ngenxa yemvula. Ezinye zezakhamuzi ikhala ngokuthi akukhona okokuqala ibhekene nenkinga efanayo.
Okwesithathu ndisiza mina apha endindenzekayo endlini kumanzi yonke into, impahla, bedi, andinanda kulala ukuze ndilala apha.
Esifundazweni Western Cape kutholakale owesilisa oneminyaka engama-40 obudala eseshonile emva kokuba emuke namanzi ebusuku ngoLwesithathu. Imvula enamandla esifundazweni iqale ngoLwesibili yaze yaqala ukudamba izolo ebusuku.
Yes, I can confidently say that in the last 24 hours, or actually from the 2nd till the 4th, we had about 230 millimeters of rain in the George. I think we are through the storm now, but as you explained, due to the previous storm, there's a lot of people in the informal settlement, specifically the Allbrick area that I talked about yesterday, that we're busy with a program, what we call the temporary relocation area, that we will move.
Kusenjalo zingaphezu kwe-15 izindlu kanye nesikole esikhahlanyezwe imvula enamandla eBuchabelo Free State. Ababhekele ezenhlekelele kulindeleke ukuthi bahlinzeke ngosizo kulabo abasele dengwane.
Amalungu ekomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende liphenya nge-SAPS asesichaze njengokugagamela isinqumo sabameli bakaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSamisiwe uSenzo Mchunu sokubhalela leli komiti incwadi. Le ncwadi ibalelwe ukuthi umbiko kalowo hola ukwethula kobufakazi u-Advocate Nomena Rense ulihambele phambili lolu hlelo ngenxa yokuthi ufinyelele esiphethweni ngodaba likaMchunu ekubeni lowo kumsebenzi wamalungu ekomiti.
The document that was presented before this committee on the 28th of May is not a draft committee report. It is a draft evidentiary overview, and that is why it is watermarked by the evidence leaders themselves as the final draft. At a basic level, it is the summary of the record. Its chief purpose is to structure the evidence, contextualize the committee's terms of reference thematically, and turn raw allegations and testimonies into an organized institutional record for the committee's deliberations.
We will write to the Speaker to express our displeasure on how the committee feels being ill-treated by the JSCI. And hopefully the Office of the Speaker we will also appeal for intervention.
Mbukele sathiqu eyitoro kade siyabuya nezinye izindaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu ungayindawo. Mbukele sikubingelele sokwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi inhloko yophiko oluphenya ubugebengu obuhleliwe uMajor General Richard Chibera usekhonjwe indlela emaphoyiseni kanti isigcawu sokuqondisa izigwegwe simthole enecala lokudicelela phansi SAPS ngobudlelwane bakhe noVusumuzi Cat Matlala. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi le ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshabeni ugcizelele ukuthi alizokuvalwa izwe mhla zingama-30 kuyo lenyanga esikuyo. Lokhu kusho nje ngoba ke izinhlangano okubalwa kuzo neMarch and March ziseyinhlelweni zokubhikisha ngokumelene ke nabahlezi kuleli ngokungemthetho.
South Africans have the right to protest and they can march in terms as provided for by the Constitution. But South Africa have no right to take the law into their own hands. And as we have indicated before, there's nobody who's going to do a shutdown of this country. And we must be very clear about that. And if we then disclose what our categorization of the people behind the marches and everything else, we may compromise the work that is being done by law enforcement and NetJoins. So what we are communicating, which the President will detail, is the issue that there is work that is being coordinated, as we have indicated in previous briefings and also in the debates in Parliament and also in other statements issued by our colleagues within the criminal justice cluster.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kanye noNgqongqoshe wezempilo uDkt Aaron Motsoaledi bethula ngokusemthethweni uhlelo lokuqalisa okusetshenziswa komjovo omusha wokuzivikela igciwane lesandulela ngculazi nengculazi uqobo othathwa kwabili kuphela ngonyaka njalo ezinyangeni eziyisithupha owaziwa ngeLenacapavir. Bokeleka siucoshe bukhoma lo mcimbi obanjelwa ke eSekhunda eMpumalanga.
Excited to be here. We stand with you as UNAIDS and we will continue to understand what it will take for us to really change the game for prevention of HIV. South Africa has already been a leader in the rollout of PrEP, with impressive scale over the years, from 100,000 in 2020 to 500,000 in 2024, and it's testament to the health systems. We have heard about your ambitious rollout. We have seen these plans. Our modeling by UNAIDS shows us that for South Africa to reach 1 million people with Lenacapavir for a year would reduce HIV infections by 30,000. And that's 30,000 out of the 140,000 that we need to reduce. So SIF Global Fund, we're happy to hear that you're increasing that investment because the reach needs to be a few more millions than we're reaching right now. And I believe this is what Dr. Motsoaledi was saying earlier.
Mbukele wona ke umcimbi oqhubeka lapha eSekhunda eMpumalanga ke lo mcimbi uhloseke lapha ukuzokwethula umjovo elene Capavir ohlose ukulwa lapha ke nesandulela ngculazi kanjalo ke nengculazi uqobo. Inkantolo yemantshi yaseMusina ihlehlisele umhlazi 18 kwephezulu icala labasolwa abathathu abasolwa ngokushushumbisa izidakamizwa.
Labasolwa abathathu okuhlanganiswa nowesifazane bathweswe amacala amane okuhlanganisa nelokushushumbisa izidakamizwa ezingabiza isamba semali esibalelwe ezigidini zamarandi.
Count 1 will be dealing in drugs and count 2 will be contravention of section 4B small letter I read with provisions of section 1876 subsection 1 of the Prevention of Organized Crime Act 121 of 1998, which will then be money laundering. Count 3 of the Drugs and Drug Trafficking Act 140 of 1992, acquisitions of proceeds of defined crime. Count 4, 91 of 1964, which is possession of illicit goods.
Umsolo wokuqala kuthiwa udabuka eMalawi, owesibili eZambia, kuthi owesithathu yena udabuka eMalawi. Kube sekucelwa ke inkantolo ukuthi kuqinisekiswe ukuthi abasolwa badabukaphi njengoba bekuthiwe bonke badabuka eMalawi.
Your Worship, initially I was informed that accused number 1 is a Malawian, accused number 2 is a Zambian who speaks Nyanja, and then accused number 3 is also a Malawian. May the court also clarify that part, Your Worship.
Icala libethe lihlelisela umhlazi 18 kwephezulu nalapho kulindeleke ukuthi bafake isicelo sebheyili.
This matter has to be postponed, and we hereby bring that application for postponement to the 18th of June 2026 for formal bail application, and the three accused, we apply that they be remanded in custody.
Abasolwa bagcinwe esitokisini.
Inkantolo yemantshi yaseGoli ithole ukuthi usomabhizinisi waseNorthwest uBrown Mokgotsi akakulungele futhi akathembekile ukuthi angakhululwa ngebheyili. uMokgotsi ke osehluleke lapha ke izikhawu ezintathu ukuthola ibheyili ubhekene namacala amaningi nokubalwa elokuqamba amanga ngokuthi kukhona bebezama ukumbulala eFosloras ngonyaka odlule.
uMokgotsi ubehlalele ethembeni lokuthi kungenzeka agunyazwe ibheyili, kodwa ke imantshi iveza ukuthi emva kokwehluleka kwabaseshi uqinisekisa ikheli lakhe lapho ehlala khona ithe kusobala ukuthi uMokgotsi kungaba nobungozi uma enikezwa ibheyili ngenxa yokuthi engafulathela elakuleli nanoma inini.
4454 Mushu Street belongs to Tandiwe. All three addresses, they don't correspond.
Ngenxa yokushayisana okuningi kwezitatimende zekheli lakhe imantshi ibisisichitha isicelo sebheyili.
The court found that there is no proper address for the applicant, and it will be difficult for the state to trace him, and there may be a likelihood that he will evade his trial. Therefore, interest of justice does not permit his release, as there is no proper address. Bail is denied.
Uhlangothi lwabameli bakaMokgotsi selithembele kwelokuthi inkantolo ephakeme kungenzeka ifinyelele esinqumeni esehlukile kulolu daba.
The applicant obviously has a right to appeal this particular decision to the High Court. So at this particular moment, we're going to be applying for transcripts, making copies of the charge sheet, the exhibits, so that we can be ready to go to the High Court and actually challenge this particular decision.
uMokgotsi kulindele ukuthi abuyele enkantolo mhlazi 12 kuyona lenyanga lapho kuzoqinisekiswa khona amadokodo ecala kanye nosuku lokuqulwa kwalo.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lizokwethula uhlu lwamagama abagaqelwe kuba yizimeka komasipala abayisishiyagalombili emasontweni amabili azayo. Unobhala jikelele waleli qembu Sibonelo Nomvalo wenze lesi simemezelo ngenkathi bebambe isithangami nabeyindaba eWoodmead eGoli.
Njengoba kusondela ukhetho lohulumeni bendawo nje, unobhala jikelele uMK Party uSibonelo Nomvalo uthi maduzane kuyona lenyanga bazomemezela uhlu lwamagama labo abazofolosa ngabo njengemeya komasipala.
The leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe Party will be making a public announcement of the candidates who will be representing the party in the 8 metropolitan municipalities in South Africa.
Leli qembu lithi lizosungula amathimba okuyiwona azobhekele zokhetho eMpumalanga naseNorthwest. Iphinde lesibili likaMengameli kuMK Party Tony Yangeni ujujwe njengozohola ithimba elizojujwe eMpumalanga.
The party will deploy senior national leaders with very strong political leadership experience to these 2 provinces who will ensure that the party attains overwhelming positive results across all municipalities nationally.
Udabeni lwembhikisho esisabalele ezifundazweni ezahlukene eqhutshwa inhlangano iMarch and March, MK Party ibeke uvo lwayo kulokhu.
The voices of the people must be heard, and we acknowledge the role such initiatives play in bringing these issues to the center of our national discourse.
MK Party dalule nokuthi izosingatha umhlangano wayo oqala wenqubomgomo okulindeleke ukuthi ubanjelwe eGoli ngenyanga ezayo.
Mbukelo uMasibheka kwezemidlalo iSouth isiqinisekisile ukuthi umdlalo weBafana Bafana neJamaica okulungiselela indebe yomhlaba uzodlalwa kusasa enkundleni yasePachuca eMexico, kepha ngeke usakazwe ku-television. Ama-Reggae Boys akeliswe endaweni yama-71 emhlabeni ngaphezulu kweqembu iBafana iyagcina ukudlala nalo, kanti-ke iNicaragua yona ikeliswe endaweni ye-131. iBafana-ke yona ikeliswe endaweni yama-60 emhlabeni. iBafana ikaze inqobe emidlalweni emine egcina ukuyidlala, kanti izobheka ukusebenzisa lo mdlalo njengendlela yokubuyisa ukuzethemba. iNingizimu Afrika izodlala kumdlalo wayo oqala womqhudelelano weqoqo we-A nosokhaya eMexico ngoLwesine. Mbukele sisathi ku editor Masibuya sizobe sikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu, wena ungayindawo. Mbukele sizibeka lapha besikuphathele zona emini ozakwethu bayeza nezindaba ngolimi lesiSwati makugambanxa ihora lesihlanu ntambama. Kanti-ke thina sizobuya-ke nezinye izindaba ngehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa. Kanti kwamanje mbukeli sale kahle.